Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn al-mabni wal-mu'arab, declinable and indeclinable words in Arabic, inshallah. In Arabic, words are of two types with respect to changes, which may or may not take place at their ends. If the end of a word remains the same in all conditions, it is called mabni, indeclinable. And that word whose end changes is called mu'arab, declinable. Most of the Arabic nouns are declinable, mu'arab, and that's why we will not learn in this lesson mu'arab, declinable, but we will focus on mabni. أنواع الاسم المبني, types of indeclinable nouns. First one, الضمائر, pronouns. It includes personal and attached pronouns or possessive pronouns, such as أنا, أنت, أنت, هو, هي, ك, كي, كم, etc., except third person possessive pronouns or attached pronouns. What are they? Huma, hum, or hunna. They can also get kasra if they are attached to particles or prepositions, such as bihima, bihim, ilayhima, ilayhinna, alayhinna, alayhim, etc. Second one, asma'ul ishara, demonstrative pronouns. هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك, أولئك, هؤلاء. Except هذان becomes هذين and هاتان becomes هاتين in mansub and majrur cases. Third one, الأسماء الموصولة, relative pronouns. الذي, التي, الذين, اللاتي, except اللذان becomes اللذين and اللتان becomes اللتين. Number 4, أسماء الاستفهام, question words or interrogative nouns. ما, كيف, أين, متى, هل, كم, so on, except one only, أي. It can get fatha or kasra, أي or أي. أي after verbs, before verbs. If there is verb in the sentence, we can use أي, such as أي كتاب تقرأ, which book do you read? It can also get kasra if it is preceded by prepositions. في أي شارع تسكن, in which street do you live? Number 5, بعض الظروف, some adverbs. أمس, غدا, الآن, إذا, حيث. Number 6, الأعداد, numbers 11 to 19. 13, 14, these never change, they can only get fatha in all cases. Except 12 can be 12, and feminine version 12 becomes 12, except 12. Number 7, nouns with alif maksura. Example, dunya, Musa, Aqsa, Yahya, Isa. These remain same in all conditions. Number 8, Asma'u shart, conditional nouns. Man, law, in, mahma, aynama, etc. Huruf al-jar, prepositions, the last one, ila, min, ala, fi, bi, and these remain also same in all conditions. And that's all today. If you want to learn more Arabic grammar lessons, you can go to our channel Arabic Language Academy, and then you can click on Arabic grammar rules. There are about 30 lessons in Arabic grammar rules. See you next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.